Hey guys, Jim here at Blacktiemotors. Today we're taking a look at hood vents. We've got a few different ones that we make for the RX-7s. We've got this one here is a replication of the RE Mamiya hood vent. This is for the T2 hood. If you're trying to vent air out and you're no longer running a top mount intercooler, this would be the one for you. This is a simple bolt-in application. You unbolt the stock one, you bolt this one in, you're good to go. Drop the temperatures 10, 15 degrees, somewhere in there. Now, if you want something a little more aggressive, you can add some of these in here. These FC, FD, add a little bit more, either combined with the RE Mamiya vent or by themselves. So we've got these that we make, and we make one more. Take a look at these beauties while I walk over here and disappear off the camera. Now, if you don't want these and they're not quite your style, we'll pull those off of there. Don't need those. Let's try something a little different. A simple drop-in hood vent. Simple, sleek, nice universal. FB, FC, Miata, FD if that's your style, 240, whatever it is. A nice universal drop-in. Measure it out right where you want it. Trim your hood, put it in, rivet in. If you want to bond it in, you can, but this is a nice simple rivet it, bolt it in, whatever your style is, and you are good to go. This will vent quite a bit of air out. Just place it right behind your radiator so you get good airflow and you are golden. So remember, keep them rotors spinning, and we'll see you on the next one.